Okay, good morning, everybody. Good morning. I hope everybody can hear.
Not very well.
Welcome to the GE Interventional booth at RSNA. My name is Emmanuel Abad, and I am the marketing manager for premium angiography at GE Healthcare. In 2011, we launched the Discovery IGS 730, which was the first mobile laser-guided interventional platform. We got great feedback from the first user who praised the mobility, the flexibility, the patient access, the advanced imaging that the system delivers. Some even called it a revolution in interventional imaging. Now, our investment didn't stop in 2011, and in 2013 we are very pleased to announce the Discovery IGS 740. The Discovery IGS 730 was designed for hybrid rooms. With the 740, we designed an evolution of the platform to specifically address the need of interventional radiologists. For decades, interventional radiologists had two options. Either they went for systems that were bolted on the floor or systems that were fixed on rails on the ceiling. And both solutions have their limitations. Specifically, ceiling-mounted systems have constraints because of the rails that are positioned on the ceiling. So with the Discovery IGS 740, our ambition is to provide the flexibility, the positioning, the advanced imaging capabilities without the constraints of the rails. The Discovery IGS 740 is 510K pending, and we'd like now to give you a small demonstration of its capabilities and invite Kim Lam to do so.
Thank you, Emmanuel. Hello, everyone. My name is Kim Lam, and I am the Global Product Manager for Interventional Radiology at GE Healthcare. It is my pleasure today to present to you the Discovery IGS 740. Today, when you perform your interventions, you often have to deal with the constraints of your environment. Most of your equipment can be mounted on the ceiling, your imaging system, your monitors, lights, rad shields, and so on, and positioning everything so that you can work efficiently and comfortably, while at the same time avoiding collisions between the different elements can be a challenge. With the Discovery IGS 740, we designed an imaging system that puts you at the center of your interventions. As you can see, this system is neither bolted to the floor nor mounted on the ceiling. It is a mobile angiography system. It actually uses this rotating laser over here to continuously scan the room so it knows where it is at any time. And thanks to this innovative design, the Discovery IGS 740 provides you imaging flexibility while keeping your ceiling free to position your monitors, lights, rad shields during your interventions. So now let me show you how this innovative system can help you in your practice. You can, for instance, start your intervention with the imaging system in this position. And as you can see, this position frees up a lot of space around the table so that you can easily load and prepare your patient. And once you're ready, you can then use the table side controls over there to bring back the system to the table. As you can see here, it moves nicely to the table and you will then start imaging. The Discovery IGS 740 can swivel around the table on either the left or the right side, as you can see here. It can also pan along the table, as you can see here. It can achieve complex imaging position while at the same time, and it is very important, keeping excellent access to your patient during your interventions. Today, as you know, procedures are increasingly complex, especially in the liver where there are many, many small vessels. And in those challenging situations, 3D imaging can be of great help. However, imaging the liver in 3D can be difficult. The first challenge is that the liver is a little bit on the right of the human body, meaning that you have to center off to the right your patient to image the liver while at the same time avoid collisions during the rotational 3D acquisition. The Discovery IGS 740 features a wide bore C-arm with 50 inches or 129 centimeters between the tube and the detector, you can accommodate large patient on one hand, and you can perform off-center 3D acquisition for the liver. Here I'm moving the table to the side, and as you can see, I can still fit in this very wide space between the tube and the detector next to the table. So plenty of space for large patient and liver images. The second challenge when you image the liver is coverage. The liver is one of the largest organs in the human body. You need extended imaging coverage when imaging the liver. The Discovery IGS 740 features a very wide GE detector. With 41 centimeters or 16 inches on each side, you can cover large anatomies, large patients, such as this liver imaging that you can see on the large display monitor. Last but not least, when you think about a new interventional project, room design is a critical step. And room design can be tricky. How do you decide, for instance, on the position on one hand, your imaging system, on the other hand, your sealing mounted equipment, so that they don't interfere with each other during your interventions? How do you decide on the position of your anesthesia equipment so that you can work on either the left or the right side of your patients? By eliminating the rails on the ceiling, the Discovery IGS 740 frees it up so that you can really draw the position of your ceiling mounted ancillaries with a lot of flexibility and freedom. So in the end, with the Discovery IGS 740, you truly are at the center of your interventions. You can practice with comfort and control using the mobile gantry. You can see large anatomies in one view with the G41x41 detector, and you can draw the position of your ceiling mounted ancillaries with freedom and flexibility with the rail-free design. So in the end, with the Discovery IGS 740, from room design to complex interventions, it really frees you from the constraints of ceiling mounted system rails while providing you the imaging flexibility that you need for your interventions. Thank you very much for your attention.